Hello everyone, wishing you all a very happy Navratri. May Ma Durga bless you with strength, positivity, and endless happiness. So let's begin today's video with painting. So I'm painting this mandir which we bought a month back, and this is how the final outcome is. Tell me in the comments how it is looking. Later that same evening, me and my mom was getting ready for Durga Ma ki sthapana. Today is the first day of Navratri and it's dedicated to Mata Shailputri, the goddess of strength and purity. On this day, devotees wear white clothes symbolizing peace, calmness, and a fresh beginning. And this is Durga Mata. Just look at how divine and beautiful she is looking today. The attire, the jewelry, everything radiates grace and blessings. The decoration was subtle and beautiful. It's truly a sight that fills the heart with devotion and positivity. और अब देखिए ये माता जी की छोटी भक्त को. See how innocently, with devotion and purity, she is standing in front of Mata Durga. It's a reminder that true prayers come straight from the heart, no matter the age. The next day, I didn't wanted to shoot at all because I was feeling so tired. So this is my little garden, you can say. So we have planted these plants here in the balcony. Although I don't know the name of this plants, if you know, please tell me in the comment section. Then besides this is a chai patti, chai wali patti, whatever you say. It is used in making tea, and this is tulsi, and this is also something which is used in making pakora, I guess. So yeah, I don't know the name. Tell me in the comment section again. There was no electricity for the past 1 hour, and घर के अंदर बहुत गर्मी हो रही थी. So that's why I came in the balcony. I sat there, and again rain started, and it was a heavy rain. So because of which I cancelled my plan for Garba. Then afterwards I made मटर पनीर की सब्ज़ी. फिर उसके बाद ज़्यादा शूट नहीं किया मैंने. The next day I didn't woke up very early. I woke up around 7 or 7:30 a.m. Had my morning drink, that is coconut water, and started reading this book. Then afterwards I started preparing my breakfast. So I made this jwar ka chilla. It is very healthy and tasty. You must try it out. It's simple, delicious, tasty, crispy, and satisfies your hunger. Then in the evening, me and my mom went outside for buying some groceries and stuff. So the major task was to walk on the road, and आप देख सकते हैं कि रास्ते की हालत कैसे हुई है because of rain. However, we crossed the road anyways, and then हम यहाँ पर आए कच्ची घानी का तेल लेने because it is good for our health. Then we went to supermarket, and after that to buy vegetables. So yeah, that's it. So the next day I woke up early in the morning, and I was craving for some tea. So I said my father to make some tea for me, and then in the afternoon I planned to shoot something. So for that purpose only I was getting ready here. So I started with applying primer, then foundation, and slowly I did all the makeup. It was actually the evening time, not the afternoon. So yes, हम गरबा के लिए जाने वाले थे, but there was a lot of rain, so we cancelled that, and then I thought to shoot something. So yeah, this is how I was looking. I wore a beautiful red kurti, and यहाँ पर मैंने बोला तो है कुछ, but since the mic was not connected nicely, so कुछ भी sound नहीं आ पाया. So yes, anyways, मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ ये कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना. Actually, this is my favorite kurti because it has a very good flare, and it looks so bright and beautiful. Following that day, me and my mom made a plan for shopping. So yes, हमने कैब बुक की and we went for shopping. हम कुछ डिसाइड करके नहीं गए थे दैट यही लेना है वगैरह, बट वट एवर वी थॉट इट इज़ यूज़फुल, वी जस्ट बॉट दैट. एंड देखते ही देखते बहुत सारी शॉपिंग हो गई, सोचा भी नहीं था। बट एनीवेज मैं शॉपिंग अराउंड 1 साल बाद कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज आई वॉज ऑक्यूपाइड इन एग्ज़ाम्स, in studies, that's why I couldn't do so. So you can see how much shopping we did, but it was fun, and I think we should enjoy each moment of life. So हम गए थे शॉपिंग के लिए अराउंड 12:30 को, एंड हमें बज गए 4:30. सो जैसे ही हम कैब में बैठे द रेन स्टार्टेड, सो इट वॉज़ आवर लक कि हमें बारिश नहीं लगी. बट या आई लव्ड इट बिकॉज बारिश का मौसम मुझे बहुत पसंद है पर्सनली. मैनी पीपल डजंट लाइक इट बिकॉज ऑफ द मेस इट क्रिएट्स, बट आई फील सो पीसफुल व्हेन इट रेन्स. एंड मेरी शॉपिंग वड़ा पाव एंड पाइनएप्पल जूस के बगैर इनकम्प्लीट रहती है. सो वी हैड दैट एज वेल. एंड फिर हम घर में आए, एंड यू कैन सी हाउ मेनी बैग्स आर देयर. सो दिस इज़ वॉट द शॉपिंग इज़ दैट वी डिड. And then the next day we planned to go to parlor for eyebrows and stuff. And again it was raining, but बारिश हो रही है तो हम अपने काम तो नहीं रोक सकते. So with respect to that we went, and yes, मैंने eyebrows कराए, and I also did facial for the first time. And this is how I am looking after facial. Tell me in the comments that how I am looking, because this was my first time in my life. I also filmed few clips of dance with my little friends, and then we headed to parlor. So I'm ending this vlog here. If you liked it, then do like, share and subscribe my channel for more such stuff. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.